Lift with your legs and not with your back. Always check your blind spots. Maintenance crews do this every day, but a reminder is always an important thing to stay safe and maybe save a life. Those are the prime focuses of Safety Days, which launched again May 5th at the PA Turnpike's maintenance facilities.
Well, it's important for us as people that work out on the road to make sure that we're doing the safest thing that we can. As you can tell with the amount of traffic that we have here in the background, this District 4 is one of the heavier traffic areas. Most of it's 3 lanes of highway.
The crews at Devault learned a lot during their Safety Days. One session focused on proper lifting and care for your body on the job.
Always, I've been doing construction work all my life, and I have to take care of my body. Knowing how to live, how to walk with heavy things, and how to be just stay mindful.
They also focused on blind spot safety.
Blind spots is the biggest thing with some of the equipment that we have. A lot of people don't realize when you have a tall person versus a short person, how much difference they can be as far as a blind spot in a loader or in a 5-man pick.
It's awareness to remind me of the blind spots, what I'm looking for when I get in there, my surroundings, and who I'm working with. Make sure I know where they're at, instead of just getting in and taking off and running someone over, and I don't want to hurt any of my coworkers.
I think it's really important. I mean, there's so many dangerous things that can happen. You can hurt yourself. It's just good being aware of your surroundings.
Safety Days is coming to all maintenance facilities this summer. But what's the most important lesson to learn from the event?
Always pay attention, because that's important. The most important part is pay attention.